Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create automation on Monday.com. Creating automations in Monday.com allows you to streamline your workflow by automating repetitive tasks and actions. First, look for the Automation Center on Monday.com. Go to your account and from the top right corner, select Automation. In the Automation Center, you will see options to create a new automation. Click the option labeled Create Custom Automation. You can also choose from the readily available templates. Then choose a trigger that will initiate the automation. Triggers can be events such as a new item is created, when a status changes, and when a due date approaches, and etc. Click on the trigger you want to use for your automation. Depending on the trigger you selected, you have the option to set conditions that must be met for the automation to run. Specify the actions that should be performed when the trigger conditions are met. Actions can include updating item properties, sending notifications, creating new items, moving items between groups or boards, assigning tasks, and more. Once you have added an action, configure its settings as needed. By creating automation on Monday.com, you can automate repetitive tasks, improve efficiency, reduce errors, and streamline your workflow, allowing you to focus on more strategic and value-added activity. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.